In this problem, we are interpreting pictograph tables. The table below shows the number of books borrowed at 5 libraries last week. It is asking us how many books were borrowed at Woodbury Library and how many more books were borrowed at Central Library than Sunfield Library. First, let's look at question A. How many books were borrowed at Woodbury Library? So we find Woodbury Library here. And then we see that there are 2 book symbols. We have to remember that each book symbol stands for 200 books. So we take our 2 book symbols times 200 books, and that equals 400 books. So 400 books were borrowed at Woodbury Library. Now let's look at question B. How many more books were borrowed at Central Library than Sunfield Library? So we look at our chart and we find Central Library here and Sunfield Library here. So Central has 1, 2, 3, 4 book symbols, and Sunfield has 1, 2, 3 book symbols. So we take 4 minus 3 and we get 1. We know that 1 book symbol equals 200 books. So we take 1 times 200, and that equals 200. So that means there were 200 more books borrowed at Central Library. Another way of doing it is seeing that Central Library has 4 books and Sunfield only has 3, which means they have 1 less than Central. So Central has 1 more than Sunfield, and each symbol equals 200 books. So there were 200 more books borrowed at Central.